Hello everyone, in this video I will show you about Dexscreener Moonshot. To begin, visit Dexscreener.com. Dexscreener Moonshot is a new player in the market, competing with pump.fun. If you are unfamiliar, pump.fun operates on the Solana network, allowing users to buy coins before they officially launch. This happens through a bonding curve mechanism. When the curve hits 100%, the coins launch on Radium. Dexscreener has introduced a similar concept. They list coins that have undergone thorough audits, ensuring they are safe from rug pulls. Ownership of these coins is renounced, which means developers can't scam buyers unless they buy a large portion of the supply and sell it quickly. To buy a coin on Dexscreener, simply choose one you like and click on it. On the right-hand side, you will find a buy and sell interface. You will need to connect your Phantom wallet by clicking a yellow button first. After that, you can purchase the coin using Solana. Once a coin reaches a market cap of 500 SOL, its liquidity and tokens move to Radium. This transition marks its departure from Moonshot to Radium. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.